Why content is key to search engine positioning. So you want to grab that sweet #1 rank on Google, but you don't know really where to start. Well, luckily for you, we do. Hey guys, welcome to Creative. Here we use our passion for the game to change the game. Every week we talk about solutions that can truly change the business of sports. And today we're here to talk about search engine positioning and why content is king of high rankings. Revolutionize the game, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything else. You've probably heard this thousands of times already, and maybe you've gotten sick of it, but content is king. Just take a look around you. Switch from Instagram to Twitter, and one thing's for sure, content is being used to market several things all at once, regardless of its format. Even well-known athletes like Lebron James, Stephen Curry, and Kevin Durant know this. They even have their own media companies. Some may say that even in the early years, it's already being used. And while that's absolutely right, we don't think the strategy was able to solidify its importance until now, the age of information. One witness to its great significance is search engine positioning. Yes, you heard that right. The answer to the greatest question of how to be #1 on Google lies in good content. Why, you ask? Well, that's what we're here to going to discuss today. And to get us started, let's first define what search engine positioning is. Search engine positioning is the process of making the most out of Google search rankings for your several web pages. And no, this doesn't just end in Google. Businesses can also do this with the search engines. And of course, with search engine rankings in mind, SEO is probably going to be there too, alongside confusion. So what's the difference? It's pretty normal to be confused by the two. After all, their main goal revolves around search engine rankings. But the truth is, they're pretty different from one another. Search engine positioning is the process of positioning your website to the highest search engine rankings possible. And SEO is one of the several strategies being used in that process. Since SEO basically improves the visibility of a web page or a website, it's definitely going to help you position yourself. In a nutshell, optimization lays the groundwork for everything that you need. And while it definitely has some significant attributions, content is the one that really does the majority of the heavy lifting. So why does it matter? So now to answer the question of why does content matter, one must put on their Google lenses. Just like you, the search engine giant is a business that wants to take care of their customers. And behind its great success is great user experience in the form of accurate information. It gives the #1 spot to those sites that are not fake or spammy. Because if they didn't, they might just lose their title of leading search engine. So if you want Google to give you a high rank, then you should start investing in quality content. But aside from impressing search engines with your rich content, there's another thing you must keep in mind: making them readable to Google. Of course, Google has to read your stuff for them to know which ranks and what fails. And they do this by searching for keywords in its text. As users, we use phrases while searching on Google, and as the response, the search engine goes through its long list of sites to look for the perfect match. If you want your site to be the first thing it pulls out when someone looks up yoga studios near me, then you better use that keyword as much as you can. But remember, too much of anything is bad for everyone. Don't Google stuff. And by that, don't keyword stuff. Google hates that. In this day and age where followers and online presence matters most, search engine positioning plays the most crucial role. This is because regardless of how much we love scrolling through Twitter or Instagram, search engine remains #1 in our hearts. Still not convinced? We've linked our blog post below where we can go on a deeper dive as to why search engine positioning is important. If you want to learn more about SEO and digital marketing, don't forget to check out our website below. We hope you guys loved today's video, and if you want to learn more about the great solutions that can change the game, don't forget to subscribe. And this is Zach with Creative, where business is our sport.